Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are out here working on Rob Zombie once again, as you know that because you're watching the Rob Zombie video. This is not a Mountain Dew, before anyone says anything. It is a sweet tea. We do have a Mountain Dew though. It is in our little cooler. Hopefully we will be able to crack that open after we take this thing off jack stands and take it for a test drive. That's the ultimate goal. And to get it off jack stands, we haven't fixed the brakes. We're probably not going to fix the kooky looking muffler. We do need to get the crossbar welded in, and I want to get the bar mounted. And then I will pull it off jack stands, put some air in the tires, and take it up and down the road. One thing we did get was the finest recirc valve that China has to offer. This right here looks basically like the plastic one, but it is made of aluminum. It also comes with 3 springs. And these are, you know, like for the real boost, for all the boost. And this is, the spring that's in here is for like no boost, hardly any boost, which is pretty much what we make is hardly any boost. Now I probably won't put this on today. I'm gonna have to scavenge up some heater hose or some EGR tubing hose from an EGR. I'm sure we got some around somewhere. And we have to drill and tap the POWAHDYNE discharge pipe, which I'm not sure where Bruce keeps his bits and stuff, so probably do that like not today. How about that? But we do have our recirc valve, so look at us moving up in the world. So that's it. Let me shut you guys off, get to work. We'll see you in the next clip. This is going to be the coolest, most worthless thing I've possibly ever installed in a car. The O. This is when it gets serious right here, guys. Serious. And also when you have the philosophy of that right there. Oh my goodness. All right. So I guess I just really need to kind of drill some holes in it, and then you know, mark it on the car and drill some holes in the car and put some bolts and stuff through it. Boom goes the dynamite. We got us enough. I can double it up if I want to, maybe. So anyway, cool story, bro. Hey, can you guys see the floor? Someone said, hey, you need to someone needs to see some floor pans. It came with floor pans. It came with floor pans. Why would we waste some perfectly good floor pans on this car? I mean, dude, it's everywhere. It is everywhere. The rust, it's everywhere. It's in the window cowl. I mean, dude, it's everywhere. Send us a whole car. Just replace the whole car. Welcome back, friends, to Tusson's Chassis. Have you got a rusty, little soft, little crunchy T-top car that's, isn't quite what it used to be? Feeling a little flexible? Are your friends making fun of you because you're scared to go to the track? Then let me introduce you to the OR. Guaranteed to reinforce your car into literally a junior pro mod. Look at that. Couple that with our L-shaped frame connectors and our rusty ass crossbar brace. This thing is solid as it's ever gonna get. It is literally a solid chunk of metal now. That came out exactly like how I saw it in my head. I love it. Puts a few racing stickers on it. Tech will never know. They'll actually think it's a roll bar of some kind. Hey, this car is way stiffer than it used to be. We've got the driver's side floor kind of shored up. We've got some that looks like frame connectors slagged in there. We've got our bar bolted in. Well, I even left the crash bars in the doors. I know, shocker, right? To give us that extra rigidity when the doors are shut. Hey, every little bit helps. We're going to weld our crossbar in. Dude, are you for real with this? We're probably going to put like 2 more bolts in the bar on each side. Guess what else we're going to do? The harnesses that I used to have, like in the FLTD, I'm going to repurpose them in this car. Since the car's there, I can mount the shoulder harnesses to it. Bolt them in. Look at that. Hey, always thinking ahead to infinity and beyond. So what are we going to do now? We're going to reward ourselves with some lunch. But don't get it twisted. We ain't like those other high profile YouTube channels that's going to run down to Texas Roadhouse or Cracker Barrel or Raging Cane's or wherever with about 6 guys and pay for everybody's meal. Hell no. We got a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and some Cheetos. This will turn your pogo stick orange if you don't wash your hands afterwards. Just tuss and tip there. But yeah, we're fixing to have lunch, and that's what we're having, legitimately. We got that done. I'm very happy with that. I say maybe put a couple more bolts in it. Then we're going to slag in the. I don't use the term weld anymore. We slag it. That's how we do it. That's much more appropriate for us. We're going to slag it in, and maybe mount the harnesses. We got other stuff to do. We're very busy, so we got to get going. But anyway, I'm going to eat this real quick. We'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, we got it doubled down. There we go. Boom. Now let's slag in that crossbar. That's going to be a whole lot of fun. I suck at slagging. I'm tired of slagging, but we got to slag. So let's go slag. Phew. Okay, we've done some repurposing here. Got our old harnesses mounted up. They ain't going nowhere. That ain't going nowhere. So, and it's got the buckles down, so they're not up on my shoulders. Somebody's worried about that. But there we go. We're all good to go. I mean, you know, I'll probably will take the seat and stuff back out just, you know, at some point. But we also hooked our brake pedal switch, brake light switch back up. We had, from where we had changed the booster, we hadn't done that yet. So still don't have brakes. Haven't worked on that. So now I'm gonna work on the crossbar. I got distracted by the seat. And this is how the day goes. Out of wire. Son of a biscuit. Oh well. That's gonna wrap this up for today. It's almost time to go anyway.
Action. Jackson.
I actually like that movie.
Never seen it.
We got something. I've never seen it. We got something in the mail. Don't know what it is. I didn't order any of this. This is something. Jason sent me some stuff. These are like
You're gonna be like, oh, I did order those.
no, I didn't order these.
I know.
They're
It's from Amazon. I can see.
yeah. They're exhaust joiner. I've never used one of these. He actually asked me about or said something about this. Oh, they're very shiny. Holy man.
Those are gonna stand out.
What? Well, you won't see them. They'd be under the car.
Yeah, I was making a joke that obviously just went, you know.
Those are cool. I've never used these. This is something else. I mean, I know I didn't order this. It's from Jake's. I usually use some. I've ordered from Jake's, but
I have a picture with Jake Coughlin Jr. I can't talk right now. I do. Yes.
Where you with Jake Coughlin and
it's shoes. I don't know. Looks like shoe boxes.
I bet these are
No, seriously, it looks like shoe boxes. Darn, it's not shoes, is it?
It's some cutouts. It's cutouts. He said something too about using cutouts. If I've ever used any cutouts.
You put the box in the way.
It's an exhaust cutout. I've never used these.
More stuff that you've never used.
Huh. Jason, thank you. These are.
Are you sure it's what's in the other box?
It's the same thing.
Are you sure? Oh.
I'm going to bet money on it.
Okay, just checking.
Yes.
Look, it says it on the box.
Huh. I've never used these. Never tried it before. Huh. Thank you. Those are very cool, Jason. Thank you very much. I'm fairly certain that both of these are from Jason. Because he told me he's going to send me some stuff. He's like, hey, I don't think you've ever used any of that. And I was like, no. But I didn't know what it was going to be. That's very cool. I didn't know what it was going to be. I mean, I had no idea what this was. I'm feeling it going. It feels odd. So, all right. Well, Jason, thank you very much. I appreciate it. We will put this on the edge. On your edge. Anyway. All right. We'll see you guys in the next clip. Thanks, Jason. I do not see any valve reliefs. No. It is, and I do not see a soup can dish. It is a straight up flat top.
Yep.
So it is a true 86 short block. Not that I didn't think it was, but that just verifies it.
Yeah, I don't see anything on there.
There's nothing except just some carbon.
Yeah.
Once we get the Puff the Magic Dragon going good, it'll clear all that off. It's just a dot that they put on them to mark them which way the piston faces. They're all dotted.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that dot's about the size of a, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I'm upside down, right side.
Yeah. No, that's it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. All right, guys, my man Yoda drilled it, tapped it, got a fitting for it. It's barbed, so that ain't never coming off. It don't even need a hose clamp, honestly. But we'll put one on it. I told him just to drill it. If he could just drill it for me, that'd be great. I'll tap it, but that's how Yoda rolls, man, above and beyond. So we'll get one of these pieces and see what fits here. How this is all going to fit together here. Wow, this is going to be. We might have this little jewel right here might be just what we need to make our life better. So here's our, yeah. All right. Okay, so we'll see you guys in the next clip. I'm gonna try and get out, and then we'll have to get a vacuum tee, and we'll split it off for this, and we'll probably just put it on the gauge. We'll tee those two together. All right, we've got it all finagled and mangled up in here. Got a vacuum line. You can see the tee and stuff. This is sort of a temporary permanent situation, but we'll start it up and, you know, see what happens. All right, let's give it a cold start. It goes with us. I was just fixing to go get the air pig, air up the tires. Freaking sprinkling. And I promise you, it's just gonna do it enough to get the road wet to where, you know, it ain't even worth driving the car. Sprinkling on me now. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Why are the speed gods messing with me, man? But we got the bypass done and stuff. Son of a gun. We got the crossbar welded in, or slagged. Sorry, I got to get used to saying that. Slagged, but son of a gun. All right, man. Sorry, guys. Not today. Yep. Just like I said it would. This is where we're just going to temporarily mount our shift light, since we're not going to put the plastics back on right there. We'll just hose clamp it down, finish wiring it in like tomorrow or something. So, but you know, hey, progress is progress. All right, guys, I hate to do this to you, but it kept raining, and it's just, you know, it is what it is. So maybe tomorrow we'll finish wiring in the shift light, and then we'll take it for a drive and see what we got. And I think a couple others. I still got to order a switch panel deal for this anyway, so can't catch a break. So anyway, Jason, thanks for the stuff. Appreciate it. And thanks to you guys for commenting, subscribing, supporting the channel, and all the ways that you guys do. We couldn't do it without you. Especially, thanks for watching. And until next time, on the Substandard Leader and Fox Body videos on this here man's YouTube. Zombie Mustangs, 1 Year Only Lincolns, Ford drag vans, and as always, trying to fight the good fight against the ever malicious Dr. Fear. We'll see you guys in the next video.